for a check. Tell him it ain't likely. Said she need a ring like Carmelo. You must be on that white like Othello. All you want is Nikes, but the real ones, just like you, just like me. I don't play, I don't make time. But if you need dick, I got you. And I am from the line. Go up for ASAP. R.I.P. Pimp C. R.I.P. Trayvon. That nigga look just like me. Scales, a little mermaid. We out by the pool, some little mermaids. Me and them gel, like twigs with the bangs. Now that's a real mermaid. You know your brain with it down. Punk Madre, Punk Papa. You don't care for me, but he cares for me, and that's good enough. We don't talk much or nothing, but when we talk about something, we have good discussion. I met his friends last week, feel like they're on to something that's good for us.
We'll let you guys prophesy. We'll let you guys prophesy. We gon' see the future first. We'll let you guys prophesy. We gon' see the future first. Living so the last night feels like a past life. Speaking of the don't know what got into people, devil be possessing homies, demons try to body jump. Why you think I'm in this bitch wearing a fucking yarmulke? Acid on me like the rain, weed crumbles in the glitter. Rain, glitter, we laid out on the sweat floor. Away turf, no astro, mesmerized how the strobes glow. Look at all the people feet dance. I know that your nigga came with you, but he ain't with you. We only human and it's humid in these barmaids. I mean my balls sticking to my jeans. We breathing pheromones, amber rose, sipping pink gold lemonades. Feel it? I may be younger, but I look after you. We're not in love, but I make love to you. When you're not here, I'll save some for you. I'm not him, but I mean something to you. I mean something to you. I mean something to you. You got a room and you'll hear what we do. It's only awkward if you're fucking too.
Pleased to report after many many attempts. I climbed out from the mouth of the gritty abyss. The antonym idiot, who idiot is this? My mind frame is betrayed with NVIDIA chips. My rhymes are like shrines for the city I miss. Where in time I found beauty in the hideousness. My tongue can set fire to some, inspire the young, or put a hickey on the titty of the prettiest bitch. I'm number one, you getting the gist. Anything lower, you better reconsider your list. Play my song when I'm gone, I'ma still be a myth. Even God gon' wonder how the fuck did he exist. I mean, could he have just slipped through the cracks? Ain't let a nigga into heaven, so I went through the back. And when I entered, I saw an old friend that I dapped. He said, please, nigga, kick one of the infinite raps. Okay, I flip on tracks, long as the beat is on fire. My grip on rap, stronger than needle nose pliers. So kick on back and enjoy the fresh sound. The best round of black, getting rich off rap. I'm from the town where they zip off packs. We never seen trampoline, but a brick you can flip off that. Well, damn, try to compete, but they just fall flat. A lot of these weak niggas peak where I lift off fat. I never trick off racks, I stack what I attract. The money talks to me and they lack the dialect to reply back as I crack the fire. Acts like refracts when they have black Messiah raps. Vietnam, where they strap like Iraq. The knocks in the trap with the knack to high raps. A man dead cause the pair slapped the wiretap. His dog had his back so they whacked the chiropract. Chemically imbalanced, dripping style in gallons. I write schemes in my dreams just for the challenge. Woke up in ice cold sweats cause the flows I chose next are like both sets of both flexor. Hold your breath for the pros I profess. Cold or go fresh like a juice that's cold pressed. No rest to those who oppose, I don't stress. Rap niggas gotta be in vogue to post stress. They don't compare, they're more like Kotex. I'm dropping niggas off at the door like coat checks. Hold check, I told you they ain't ready to hoop. Them niggas regular, I'm 93 and let it the truth. Hot out of booth, now I'm looking for my little Betty boo. Cute, pardon me, shawty, I've been out of the loop. Too many lies to refute, but I gotta rebuke. They try and put my neck inside of a noose, it's not happening. It's not happening. It's not happening. It's not happening. Never in my life did I think I seen a thing. Niggas wanna play with my name, but okay. The children that survive the lows and highs, the real will never die.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Shangoon. They will go to the backcourt and Shepard. James is there to greet him. Second body Hachimura and he turns it over. Get it ahead for James. Slaps it over to Kennard. Lakers are down by 3 for the tie. It's good. LeBron James is money. 101. The Lakers create the turnover and then they cash in from long range.
To the moon, don't leave so soon, don't leave so soon. How can I keep going? I wanna go to the moon, don't leave so soon, don't leave so soon. How can I keep going? I wanna go to the moon, don't leave so soon. Go strapping, we up. Never forget all the memories. Sitting, I sip on my cup, thinking I should be a better me. Truly, I'm blessed from the start. So much to say in these melodies. Oh, stare at the sky, the moon singing sweet. Oh my God, such a sweet moment. Angels, they say I'm not ever weak. Such a lonely boy. Heaven knows I might never sleep. Trouble in my soul. Hey, I've been praying. Life can be draining. Oh, hey, who relate? Try and keep falling. Oh, I'm ashamed. Hated what I would see, and nobody knows. So I go. How can I get through? How can I get through to the moon? Early afternoon. Take it to the moon. Don't leave so soon. Don't leave so soon. How can I get through? Early afternoon. Take it to the moon. Don't leave so soon. Don't leave so soon. Don't leave so soon.
hold me close, my darling. Just hold me close, my darling. Just hold me close, my darling. Who would dream this? It couldn't mean this. Could it be some type of meanness where you are? 'Cause I don't know where to go, and no one else seems